Hey gang, it's your boy Benjamin at Hat Club, and I got a question for you. Are your hats fitting a little too snuggly these days? Well, you're in luck because we've got an amazing tool to help combat hats that need a good stretching. So, let's start from the beginning. Hat Club stretcher comes in 3 sizes. Size small for size 6 7/8 through 7 1/8, size medium for 7 1/4 and 7 3/8, and size large for half all the way up to size 8. I've got a medium right here because I've got a 7 1/4 hat that's in need of a good stretching. We're gonna put a little bit of curve in the visor because of the fact that, if you haven't noticed, we got a curve here in the wooden plank, but also because it vaults inward, we wanna match it up with a little bit of curve just because it'll help stretch it a little bit quicker. So, got your curve in your visor, and then drop it in. Doesn't matter which side is up or down, just make sure you have the Hat Club logo on the outside and make sure your wooden plank vaults inward to match up with the Hat Club side. And then, start stretching. Now, you have the option of using it with steam, which I kind of highly recommend because you can go up to 2 sizes with a hat stretch. But if you're using it without steam, like I'm doing here, you might be able to get it up 1 full size for sure, maybe 2. But the point in time you want to stop is when you squeeze inward on the sides like this. Once it's nice and stiff, you're good to go. Just leave it in for an hour, leave it in for a day, however long you want to do it. Now, a lot of you guys have some other crazier methods that don't involve such a lovely tool such as this. There's the old school ripping it up on your knee. Let me know in the comments what you guys used to do before you picked up a fancy Hat Club stretcher.